good, YouTube? You know what it is. OTP Bros back in the cut. You know what's up.
Gang, what's up with it, fam?
Back with another banger. Eminem, Cold Wind Blows.
Yeah, bro, I'll be real. I'm hoping he snap on this one. I know that Recovery got a bunch of bangers, but I don't remember this song. I don't think I've ever heard it. So, super excited for this one, bro. You got this one from the comments, right? Shout out to whoever suggested this, bro, because like I said, this is one I haven't heard before. So, yeah, let's get it, gang.
Don't change, it's better when they stay the same. Although the whole world knows their names, on up. Biggest stage, they came to see us switch a game. Oh, shouldn't be difficult to explain just why you came back again. You hate the fame, love the game, cold as ice. You remain, fuck them all, tell them all. Eat shit, here we go again. That time again already? Okay. Y'all too happy to see me. You can get the dick, just call me the ball sack. I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch. Don't fall back, you mother.
He going crazy. Hold on, let me turn this bright light up.
Bro.
He has bar right there.
Bro, how do you start the song like that, bro? What?
Fuck y'all. You can get the dick, just call me the ball sack. I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch.
That's so crazy, bro. That's so crazy, bro. That's so crazy, bro.
Oh, that's a lot better.
Bro, I can just tell, like, this is, we finna be in for, bro. I can just tell the bars on this one are finna be elites.
Fuck y'all. You can get the dick, just call me the ball sack. I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch. Dog, fall back, you mutts, fuck your worms. You never seen such a sick puppy, fuck it, a sick yuck. I want my gut sick, mommy, and my nut.
Oh my god, bro. Cause the dogs be sick of worm, bro. His wordplay right now is elite.
References.
Elite. The ball sack bets, bro. He's tying every word together, bro.
Sack, I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch. Dog, fall back, you mutts, fuck your worms. You never seen such a sick puppy, fuck it, a sick yuck. I want my gut sick, mommy, and my nuts slick. Y'all on my mug trick, yummy, but you don't fucking think I know that you suck dick. Yummy, you get your butt kicked. Fuck all that love shit, honey. Yeah, I laugh when I call you a slut. It's funny, shorty dance while I listen to the beat. Fuck the words, you don't listen to them anyway. Yeah, struck a nerve sucker, motherfucker. Might as well let my lips pucker like Elton John. Cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. This shit is on, cause you wouldn't piss me off. Now I'm sitting and pissing on everybody. Give a fuck if it's right or wrong. So put the Buddha light up on. But take a look at Mariah. Next time I aspire, you don't write a song. Come on.
Was he throwing a shot at Mariah? Or was that like, you know, they beefed and
I don't
shit?
think that shot. I don't know.
I didn't know if he was throwing a shot or if he was like just, I don't know. I was trying to catch it in context.
The mean cocksucker, this shit is on. Cause you wouldn't piss me off. Now I'm sitting and pissing on everybody. Give a fuck if it's right or wrong. So put the Buddha light up on. But take a look at Mariah. Next time I aspire, you don't write a song. Come on. I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know.
I don't know though.
Yeah. Yeah, he wasn't, yeah, I realized that when he said it. I thought he was like
Talking to her.
like distant for a second. Like when I heard it in context, that's why I played it back. Yeah, he wasn't. He was saying like, think of Mariah next time you make a song.
Yeah.
It's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know.
Oh, think about Mariah next time you make a song about me. Obsessed.
Nick.
The song Mariah did, Obsessed, was about Eminem. Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexting me when everybody knows. You never heard that song? Finally, God. That's one of Mariah's biggest songs. You're delusional, boy, you're losing your mind. And then she did a remix with Gucci Mane. Okay. But that was the reference right there. I just caught it late. The bar went over my head for a second.
Wow, man, I just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows. Fuck it, I'm a loose cannon. Bruce Banner's back in the booth. Y'all are sitting ducks. I'm the only goose standing. I set the world on fire. Piss on it, put it out. Stick my dick in the circle, but I'm not fucking around. Motherfucker, I saw your pussy flitting. I kick a bitch in the cunt till it makes a queef and sounds like a fucking whoopee cushion. Who the fuck is you pushing? You must have mistook me for some sissy soft punk. Looking for some nookie or pussum. Go ahead, fucking hater, push me. I told you ain't no fucking way to shush me. Call me a faggot cause I had a pussy. Man, the fuck up, sissy, cheese up. Boy, your garden is freeze up. Put your hoes down. Say to ease up. Man, chill. Nah, I can't. God damn it, rap is a landfill. Drop the anvil. These are shoes that you can't fill. Shit, the day that happens, a world will stop spinning and Michael J. Fox will come to a standstill. During an earthquake, urine in your face cause you're fake. Ah, what the fuck? That hurt. Wait. Ah, what the fuck? I just got struck by lightning. Alright, then I quit. Gotta give up. Call it evil, then Hindu. Lord, forgive me for what my pen do.
This is for your sins, I cleanse you. You can repent, but I warn you if you continue to hell I send you.
And just then the wind blew and I said,
That verse is so hard.
blows when it snows and
Fly distracted me.
That verse was hard, bro. I like how he changed his voice.
That shit distracted me.
gotta give up. Call it evil, then Hindu. Lord, forgive me for what my pen do.
This is for your sins, I cleanse you. You can repent, but I warn you if you continue to hell I send you.
And just then the wind blew and I said, I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows. How long will I be this way? Shady until my dying day, till I hang up the mic and it's not for me to say so long. So then I drop the fucking bombs like I missed the pass when I went home. If you don't like it, you can kiss my ass and I'm lit.
That was a bore. That was a bore.
No, I'm a football nigga, so I don't
already
like
know.
that.
Dying day till I hang up the mic and it's not for me to say so long. So then I drop the fucking bombs like I missed the pass when I went home. If you don't like it, you can kiss my ass and a limp thong. Now sing along, slut this, slut that, on the words of the song. Oh, bitches don't like that. Homie, I'll be nicer to women when Aquaman drowns and the human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a cold soul, I wrote solo, so don't compare me to the mother bums over there. It's like apples to oranges, peaches to plums. Yeah, I'm bananas, pussy, cut off the grapes and grow a pear. But I swear, you try to diss me, I'll slaughter you. I put
Oh my god, bro. Cut off the grapes and grow a pear, fam. Let's go bananas.
bitches don't like that. Homie, I'll be nicer to women when Aquaman drowns and the human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a cold soul, I wrote solo, so don't compare me to the mother bums over there. It's like apples to oranges, peaches to plums. Yeah, I'm bananas, pussy, cut off the grapes and grow a pear. But I swear, you try to diss me, I'll slaughter you. I put that on everything, like everyone does with auto-tune. The last thing you wanna do is have me.
Bro, what the fuck, bro? Put that on
That first
everything, like everyone does with auto-tune.
Right. That nigga said, I'm bananas, pussy. Cut your grapes off. Is that to say grapes?
Yeah. Yeah, he was stupid. He said, don't compare me to them bums over there. It's like comparing apples to oranges, some to pears. I'm going
Pears,
bananas.
plums, I'm bananas. I don't know what that nigga said before that, but he said, I'm bananas, pussy, cut your grapes off, grow a pear. That nigga named the whole fruit basket. Cook this nigga.
Cut off the grapes and grow a pear, but I swear, you try to diss me, I'll slaughter you. I put that on everything, like everyone does with auto-tune. The last thing you wanna do is have me spit out a rhyme and say I was writing this, and I thought of you, so as the cold wind blows. When it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No, 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 no. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows. Blow, blow, blows, blow, blow, blows. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know what caused. I don't know what caused me to be this way. I don't know but I'll probably be this way till my dying day. I don't know why I'm so cold, me things I don't mean to say. I guess this is how you made me.
So listen, gang. Me personally, I think that one was a very, very, very strong. I want to say like 9.2. That's where I'm at with it. Thought the bars were absolutely elite. I thought the chorus was catchy. They get a little bit repetitive to me, but I did think that it was a very good song overall. The beat was very hard. Yeah, bro, I enjoyed that one. I liked it a lot.
Overall, it was a pretty good song. The beat, I really liked the most. And then his bars was pretty nice. I just got distracted halfway because that fucking fly kept fucking me up. So I know I missed a lot of shit. So because of that, I gotta give it like an 8/8.
Yeah, bro, I liked it a lot, bro. I just feel like I have a very high expectation for Eminem. And we've heard some Eminem songs on here that have gotten a 10. And I just feel like I couldn't give this one a 10. But I had to give it the 9.2 because I still thought it was elite. Like, many of the songs we done, I feel like this had some of the best verses. But I feel like he could have did a little bit better on the chorus. Mm-hmm. And then that last melody at the end, it was solid. But I just know what M is capable of, you know? So that's where I'm at with it, bro. Eminem never disappoints, always a banger. Hopefully y'all like the reaction. Hopefully y'all like the video. Make sure you like it. Comment what you want to see next. Subscribe. We're on the road to 20K. We love each and every single one of y'all. Thank you for the love and support. OTB bros. Ski. We out, gang.